everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and I'm the Mediocre Modeler. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and their styrene dreams got fulfilled. I want to thank everybody who sent me a Christmas card. I have some more to show you today. They came on time. I had a few gatherings that I went to and I didn't have time to make videos. I'm trying to stay on Mondays as well. Just a little more easier to manage for me, and I'm still having fun though. I'm having a blast. I appreciate each and every one of you leaving comments, likes, and a subscription would be cool. I'd appreciate it. Today, Mediocre Monday, episode 14. Final reveal on the hashtag off-road group build, hosted by Pat at Card Scale Dreams. If you don't know Pat, he's a great guy, good father. He has an awesome channel. I've been watching his channel for a long time. I float around to a lot of different channels, but Pat's been around for a while, and I like what he's doing in the community. He's a great guy, and he likes to help people out with tutorials, and just an awesome person, man. Thank you, Pat. I had a lot of fun with this. I scratch built this Model T snowmobile, and I'll get the final on that, and I'll show you that. I also have Merry Mail Call, some more Christmas cards that I got on time. I just didn't, like I said, have a time to make any video, but I'll show you those. I got a little bit of stash ads, some die cast, and I have the 2025 year in review compilation of all the models that I built and all the group builds I get in. And I hope you enjoy that. So I'm going to start off by turning you around, and we'll be right back. Oh, Lisa said, when we were watching Ed shoot dang models, she goes, you should wear your hat. And I'm like, yeah, I haven't worn my hat on video in a long time. I think I did it once. But anyways, Ed, you're in our thoughts and prayers. Say hi to your producer, Janice, for us. I love your show, man. You make me laugh, and, it's not fun not feeling well. So you are in my thoughts and prayers, buddy. Hats off to you. Let me turn you around. I'll show you what I got. Take it away, Scully.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Mediocre Monday. Today we have a cool show.
What do you want to start off with first there, Scully?
Well, Mark, we could start off with the final reveal in the off-road group build, but let's start off with Merry Mail Call.
All right, Scully, good idea.
Thanks, Mark.
The first one we have is from this guy, Bill's Model Bench. Bill, thank you for the Christmas card. I really appreciate it, buddy. Here it is. Thank you, Bill, Barb, and Mabel. Awesome card. Thank you very much for thinking of me this Christmas season. You really uplifted my spirits, okay? Bill's also sent me Model Car Contest and Swap Meet 2026 Cincinnati Challenge, May 2nd, 2026. Can't promise you, but I'd love to make it down there and meet you in person there, Bill. But, yeah, if you're in the neighborhood, May 2nd. Thank you. Bill, I'm going to have a Happy New Year card sent out to you, bud. Thank you. Next one is from this guy, good friend of mine, Grumpy Greg, Models and Toys. Me and Greg hit it off when he commented on my Rush sprint car that I did for my buddy.
And it turns out he's a Rush fan like myself, and cool band. It's been around since '74, and they're on tour again this year, so that's cool. Greg, thank you for the awesome card, and thank you to you and Debbie. It was a real pleasure meeting you at NNL East, and I'm gonna have that in that picture of me and you in the compilation. So check it out. And I just saw the one that you had of me and you. And like I said, man, it was awesome meeting you. You're a good guy and good friend. And someday I want to hang out, you know. All right. So thank you. Again, I'll send you a Happy New Year card. Okay. He also sent me a sticker, but right now, I don't know where. Oh, here it is. Awesome. Greg, that's going to be cool right here. Thank you for the sticker, man. I love stickers. You're an awesome dude. Next one. I also had the pleasure of meeting this guy at NNL East. Craig from Modeler. Craig, appreciate the card, and you know, it was unexpected, and I was happy to see that you sent me one. I appreciate it, and I will send you a New Year's card. It was great meeting you at NNL East, and you know, thank you for taking the time out to show me your cool models and checking out mine. It was a pleasure meeting you and hanging out. And he's also going to be on one of the group builds that I did, the 48-hour group build at the compilation. This next guy, I also met in person, and he's a friend, a true friend, and I really enjoyed meeting this guy, Link Scale Models. Love you, buddy. It was great hanging out. He came to New Hampshire, and I went down to Rhode Island, so we hung out a few times. Very cool. I like hanging out with Link. He's a great guy. He's into guitars, and his father's a really cool artist and a musician, and he has a lot of talent in his family, and it was great meeting him and meeting his son as well. Link, thank you for this card. Awesome card. I've seen it around a few times, but it's an awesome card nonetheless. And I didn't notice this guy over here, so I looked a little closer. Nice buck. Link, thank you, buddy. And I'm going to send you a New Year's card. Thank you. Okay, last but certainly not least, this came from this guy, Paul, over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. This is his first. Oh, wait a minute. This is his first year card. This is his second year card, and he's into it with his whole family. He's got June, Bella, Pops, and Paul does all kinds of things for the community. He does the custom illustrated group build, and that's a cool group build, and I'm sure I'll get into it again. Paul, thank you for hosting. Thank you for the Christmas card. And like I said, I'll send out a New Year's card to you. He also does Sunday morning model cars and coffee. And that's been going on for quite a while now. I've done a few myself. And, I'm not saying I won't do another one in the future. But they're cool to watch. I definitely watch more than I participate, But thank you, Paul. You're an awesome part of this community. And you're like the modeling family, It's awesome to see. And prayers to Pops. I hope he feels better. And, okay. What do we got next, Scully? Oh, well, let's do the stash ads. Okay. First thing I want to show you is this cool F1 car, Oracle Red Bull Racing. It's a 1/40th scale, and very cool. Second one I got, another one, F1 car. These things are really cool. 1/40th scale. Ground pounders. This is a Chevy Chevelle. Very cool. I just love this one. The Judge. Ground pounder. That thing's awesome. Got a nice scoop on it. Yeah, I like the stance on it too. Very cool. The Judge. All right, let me set you back up and we'll do the final reveal on the hashtag Off-Road Group Build 2025, hosted by Pat at Card Scale Dreams. I remembered I didn't show you the card that Paul sent me. So, sorry about that, Paul. Nice card. Thank you for the kind words. And Merry Christmas. I hope you had an awesome Christmas. And I hope you have an even better New Year. All right? And prayers for Pops. I need my whirligigger. That came from my good friend Dave at Woody Scale Model Garage. If you don't know Dave, he does a lot of What's Up Wednesday and Model Cars and Coffee. He's done a ton of those too. He's an awesome guy, and he gives back to the community all the time. I met him at NL East, and it was great meeting him and checking out his awesome builds in person. Thank you, Dave. And also go check out my buddy Glenn at Glenn's Models. I don't have any progress update on the Munch's living room, but he gifted me that and he asked me if I would build it, and I said sure, I'd love to build that. It's taken a while, but I was calling her Marilyn. Her name's Lily. Nincompoop. I crack myself up, you know. So this is the update, the final on the off-road group build. This is my take. And Pat, I had a joy building this thing. I think I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It was a challenge. I was inspired to build this by a local TV station, New Hampshire Chronicle / Model T Snowmobile. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description or maybe even the title. But I love the way this thing turned out. And like I said, I saw that video and I was like, man, I'm going to make that. I just love it. And also, I kit bashed the 1925 Model T stock version from the AMT 2 model kit, the Chop T, and the Snowmobile Dragster Super Snow Sport. Speaking of Dave, he built one of those, and I saw that, and it came out awesome. But yeah, that's where I got the skis from, and the track. It's this right here. It's a 1/35th scale and M4 Sherman T62 track for M4, whatever. I don't know what that means, but it looks in scale. I like the way it turned out. I had a blast building this thing. Hey, there's Ziggy. I'm proud of Ziggy. He's got the T for the Mediocre Modeler. Get out of there, Ziggy. Hello. I'll take this out of here. I bought some HO scale hay bales, and they look pretty good. The bed, I did bare metal foil. Hey, Private. Hey, Scully. Yeah, Mark. Have you seen Private Parts? What? Yeah, Private Parts. Oh my gosh. You're sick. This guy over here. Get over here, Private. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Private Parts. Bare metal foil over here, and then I panel lined it because it was too bright. The bed, I used stirring sticks, and I got something right here. That was a little doohickey. But yeah, I did a black wash and a gray wash on the bed. I painted the chains. Let me see. I did a lot of scratch building on this. I'm really happy with the way this thing turned out, though. Let me take this off. Let's see. See if you can see the interior. It's just nothing much, you know. Basically a stock Model T. And back in the day, I believe it was in 1922, a guy by the name of White patented the retrofit for the Model T, and you can make a snowmobile out of it. Pretty cool. Take the hood off. Pretty good fit. I'm really happy with the way this thing turned out, though. The real version on that video had a stove in it, so I scratch built the stove and hung it off the exhaust pipes, and I scratch built some hot dogs. Having a little barbecue. Let me take the barbecue out. I mean the stove out, and maybe I could do it without it coming off, but I'll show you the underneath. So I scratch built the track tensioner. If anybody wants to know how I did it, I'm going to leave some still pictures, and you'll be able to see it better. But yeah, I like the way it came out. So this is my version of the 1925 Chop T. Not Chop T. 1925. This is my version of the 1925 Model T snowmobile. Pat, it was a lot of fun building this, and thank you for hosting, and I'm sure to get in another one. All right? Happy New Year. Let me turn you back around, and we'll end it here. All right, thank you, everybody. Now I'm going to show you my completed builds for 2025 in a compilation. And I also took some pictures of some cool people that I met. That was probably the biggest highlight of my year, was meeting a lot of content creators. I didn't get a picture with everybody. I wish I had, but I'm not going to be so, shy next time when I go to these shows. I'm going to ask, hey, let's get a picture together,
and because I enjoy meeting you people. You guys are way cool, and you inspire me, and thank you, and God bless you, each and every one of you. Happy 2026, everybody. Peace out. I hope you enjoy the video.